Alright, I would definitely start with this, the new thing, each day before you go back and continue working on getting this guy down. So, reason being is because the chord change, when you're changing chords, that's when the timing gets a bit off. That's why I want to work on this first, so this way you're able to really drill that in. So remember, just take your time with it. 10-15 minutes with it is totally fine. If you don't get up to 120 in your first few days, that's okay. Just get to where you can. And if you're able to go past 120 eventually, yeah, definitely do that. So, and yeah, just going up by 5 beats per minute every time you get it right. Always starting at 60. You want that gradual increase, and because it's very important and helpful to have that repetition. It really, really helps. Just thinking of anything else, but I'm not thinking of it. Okay. Alright, so let's demo this at some different speeds here. So here it is, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 4. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 4. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4. And 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you get past 120, don't bother counting it, because that's going to make things, well, God, I can't talk. It might make things too tricky. So yeah, you get past 120, you can go ahead and stop counting at that point. You're okay. Alright, so this guy. So after you work on getting, do the speed building thing, and then you come back to this. So I want you to try doing what we were going to do initially. Work this up to speed. Once you get this up to speed, then add the next bar before it and go this way. So we're kind of like building it backwards. So this way you got that ending, okay? And then once you have these bars down, then do the whole thing without the repeat. Once you get this up to speed without the repeat, then add in the repeat. So those are the steps to take. So let's go over that again. So you don't need to do this chunk because you already did that just fine today. But get this up to speed, and then once you can do this up to speed, and yeah, going up by 5 beats per minute is a fantastic way of doing it. It's very, very helpful with that slow increase. So once you can do that up to speed, then you add in the previous bar. Once you can do that up to speed, then do the whole thing without the repeat. And then once you get it up to speed without the repeat, put in the repeat. So if you have any questions about what to do and how the approach is and things like that, please let me know. And I'll see you again next week.